think, Chuck?
I think it was awesome. The car is incredibly fast. The torque comes on in a linear way. The handling is great. Steering's a little heavy. You know, it's got a lot of inertia, so it takes getting used to. I'm not used to a sports racer, so I'm not used to my helmet being buffeted around at the end of a fast straightaway. But the car is cool. I would definitely come out and drive it again, give it a chance. It was a lot of fun.
Okay, Chuck, what else did you think about the weekend in this car?
So two things I wanted to tell you. One is I jumped from my race car, the Honda, into this and was averaging 3 seconds a lap faster in the EV, which was really cool. And I know there's a lot more speed in it. The other thing I wanted to tell you is last weekend I drove a Ferrari 488 GTS on track for 4 laps. And this was every bit as exciting and a lot more sustained fun than I had in the Ferrari. So very cool, great experience, great car. Hope to own one day.
Excellent. Thank you. We hope to see you driving one again.
Thank you. I'll be there Labor Day.
Great.